Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, welcome to another video. I bought myself this hollow wall anchor set. Comes in different sizes, M4 and M5, and the whole size 8 and 9 millimeters in different lengths. I have seen this product on AliExpress and on Temu, and it was a little more expensive than at this company, so I ordered it here. So if you want to buy it, go to AliExpress or Temu and you can order it there. You can use it on wood and plasterboard, whatever you want. And in this video I'm going to show you how the tool works. So let's open up the box. So here we have the 9 millimeters in two lengths. And these are the 8 millimeters in two lengths. So the tool. And a release button. So let's see how this works. We take the plug, we put it in here. We insert it into the hole. Has to stay on there, of course. One, two, three. And then on the front side, it's so strong. There's a little movement. So again, we put it in here. So this is 15 millimeter plywood, and this one is a M4 38 millimeters, and this one is an M4 32 millimeters. And you can see they're all. This one is better than this one. You can see I can still move this one. And this one is all the way tight into the boot. So let's try another M4 32 millimeters. And after that 38 millimeters. So this is the 32. And now a 38 millimeters. As tight as possible. And it's very strong. It can still move, but it's very strong. So this can be better, and I think because it's Chinese manufactured, this is pretty bendable. Those plugs can be stronger, but it works fine for the price. Now I'm just showing you how they did go in. So as I said before, it's 15mm plywood, but it's a hard plywood. This one goes in very well. And you can see they're not all in there pretty well. This one is all damaged. So that's the long one. That's a short one. That's a long one. Short one. They all look different, but they are in there very tight, so but it works. Well, it's up to you what you think of the plugs, but my opinion is they are a little too weak, too soft. That's why they bend too easy. And then the grip hooks won't pull into the wood. You see the small hooks there. This fella is very good, very strong, just works perfectly. Nothing wrong with it. But of course, your opinion. I'm just showing you the tool, and you may have your opinion. For now, leave a comment what you think about this tool and what you think about the plugs. I think they are weak. And I think the tool is pretty strong. Looks very good. Please like my video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching.